Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are good. Okay, I am also fine, students. Okay, now we will continue to learn the same bank reconciliation statement. Okay, in this bank reconciliation statement, you need to know what item should be added and what item should be deducted. Once again, as here recall, I will tell you what should be added if the balance as per cash book is given. Balance as per cash book. What should be added? Okay, check issued but not presented for payment. Presented for payment. Then that all credits in bank passbook. Okay, in the passbook that they have done, they have made the entry in the bank passbook but not in the cash book. Okay, that only credits in bank only. Okay, in the cash book they have not entered. That one we can say the bank interest. Interest credited. Okay, not charged, credited. Interest credited or any income received by the bank directly. By the bank. Okay. So the income received directly by the bank. This one we can say any dividend. Okay, example. Dividend can be received by the bank on our standing instruction. The customers may give some instruction to receive some of the income of the customer. Okay, that may be received by the bank, but this will not be known by the cashier in the company, in the business concern. So dividend or rent that they receive or any other thing. Okay, or direct payment by the customers or direct deposit by customers. Okay, then the other one, any error they make, any error that increases the balance in passbook. Okay, any error that increases the balance in passbook, or same thing, opposite also we can say. We should add number 1, 2, 3. Any error that reduces the balance in cash book, we need to add. Okay. Then one more. Any check deposited that dishonored. Okay, check deposited, dishonored. Then the opposite of all these things. Okay, we should deduct. Check deposited but not yet credited. We need to deduct. Then number 1. Okay, second one. All debits in bank passbook only. All debits in bank passbook only. Here we can say the any interest on overdraft. Interest on overdraft charged. Okay, interest or any payment made by the bank. Made by the bank. Any payment means we can say some of the example. Okay, either the rent may be paid or any installment for loan. Installment money may be paid by the bank as per the instruction of the customers. So that one. Or any other bill can be paid by the bank. Okay, either electricity bill or phone bill. Okay, any other bill may be made first by the bank, but all these will not be entered in the cash book. Okay, then any other, that bank charges for our service. Here they are doing some service, paying rent, paying installment. For that one, the bank will charge some amount. They will debit. Okay, that is called bank charges. If all these debit will be entered only in the passbook, but this will not be credited in the cash book. That we should deduct. Okay. Then any error. Any error that increase the balance in passbook we have added. So opposite, any error that reduces the balance in passbook must be deducted. The next one, any error that increase the balance in cash book, we should deduct. Okay. Then check issued dishonored. Okay, learn this one. There 5 items must be added, 5 items must be deducted. Okay, if you have this clear idea, you will never make any mistake in the bank reconciliation statement. Okay, here you should keep in mind one more thing. Sometimes they will give first balance as per cash book. We will add these items, we will deduct these items. The balance what we get is what? Balance as per passbook or bank statement, both the same only. Okay, so if they give the bank balance as per bank statement, this means credit balance. Okay, credit balance, this one debit balance as per cash book. Okay, if we get balance, if they give balance as per cash book, we will get balance as per passbook. Okay, but if they give balance as per cash, that bank statement, so what we should do to get this amount? We have to add all these items and we should deduct these items. We will get this amount. Okay, for example, it is 100. Okay, here 20 rupees. How much we will get? 120. So here 30. How much we are getting? Less. So 90. Isn't it? So just to check, if they give balance as per bank statement, we need to add this one. How much we will get? 90 plus 30, 120. Isn't it? Then we should deduct this amount. So 120 minus 20, we will get the balance as per cash book. Now you have understood this one. So only these two you should know. Okay, the other two balances. Here these two are favorable balance. Okay, favorable balance. If they give balance as per cash book, we need to add these items, we need to deduct these items. But if they give the bank passbook credit balance, we need to do the opposite. Okay, one favorable balance, the other favorable balance, we need to do the opposite. Again, this is equal to debit balance as per bank passbook, bank statement. The same calculation you have to do. Here debit balance as per bank statement means overdraft. This is unfavorable balance. Okay. Debit bank statement, if we have debit balance, that means we have overdraft. Okay. Then we will get here debit balance as per cash book we won't get. Credit balance as per, that means overdraft as per cash book. Overdraft as per cash book. Okay. For these two items we need to add the same thing. Okay. Just imagine if they give balance that debit balance as per bank statement and debit balance as per cash book, all the items that we should add. Okay. Less. But if they give balance as per credit balance as per bank statement or overdraft as per cash book, we need to do the opposite. Okay. So 4 balances available. Okay. If they give debit balance as per cash book, the same rule. Okay. And overdraft balance as per bank statement, same. But if they give these two, any of these two balance, credit balance as per bank statement or overdraft as per cash book, if they give what we have added, we should deduct. What we have deducted, we should add. Understood, students? Okay. Now we will do the remaining problems. Okay. Now 6th one. So you might have become little more thorough in this one. Okay. So hereafter, you can do it very fast. 6th problem. Let me read out. Prepare a bank reconciliation statement from the following data to find out the balance as per cash book. Here what is given? Bank balance as per bank statement. Here check issued. Here bank balance as per bank statement. So bank statement, bank balance it is given, not debit balance. So it is favorable balance. Okay. So balance, bank balance as per bank statement, what we have added we should deduct. Isn't it? Now you see. Check issued but not yet presented for payment. There what we have done, check issued we have added. Here we should deduct. Isn't it? Then bank charges. Bank charges not recorded in the cash book. Here the bank charges, it is an that debit, isn't it? Debit only in the bank passbook, not in the cash book. Okay, that we need to deduct. Here we need to add. Okay, because this bank balance as per bank statement. Okay, the opposite we have to do. Then interest charged by bank not recorded in the cash book. Here interest charged means one expense only. So same thing. Okay, we need to add. Then bank paid insurance premium. This also that expenses paid not recorded in the cash book. Same, there we have deducted, we should add. Check deposited. There we will deduct. Here we need to add. Okay, check deposited but not yet credited. In the first one, what we will do? We will deduct deposited. Check issued, we will add. We will deduct now. Okay. So if we do this one, we will get it correctly. Okay. I need to do everything complete today. I will write in short only. Okay. So you have to write bank reconciliation statement as on 31st March 2018. 2 column we need to add. Okay. Bank balance as per bank statement. 15,000. Outer column you write. Now add what we have already written. Okay, bank charges 250, interest charged 500. You can write fully. Okay, then insurance premium paid 300. Then check deposited but not credited. Okay, 900. Only one less, isn't it? Add and write here. 0, 0, sorry, 5. Then 7, 10, 19. Okay, write here. 5, 9, 6. Now less only one item, isn't it? Check issued but not yet presented. Not presented for payment 2500. What is this? Bank balance as per bank statement. So balance as per cash book. Okay, now we will see the next one. Seventh one. See. From the following particulars of Raja Traders, prepare a bank reconciliation statement as on 31st January 2018. Balance as per bank statement. Okay. What we have added, we should deduct. Okay. Balance as per cash statement, what we have added. Here, we need to deduct. The opposite treatment we have to make. Okay. Checks amounting 800 had been recorded in the cash book as having been deposited into the bank 25th January, but were entered in the bank statement on 2nd February. When we are going to prepare the bank statement 31st January. So after 31st January only it is entered. Okay, so check had been recorded, deposited. So check deposited but not yet credited. What we will do there? Check deposited but not yet credited, we will deduct. Here we need to add. Okay. Then amount received by bank through NEFT amounting 3000 omitted in the cash book. There what we have studied, I will show with the thing what we have entered now. Okay. Amount received, you can keep your book in your hand. Okay. Amount received by bank through NEFT amounting 3000. So it is a receipt. Okay. All credit in the bank. Amount received by bank. Okay. That one income received by the bank we will add, but here we need to deduct. The opposite we have to do. Okay. Then 2 check issued 3000, 2000 on 29th March 2018. Only the first check is presented for payment. The other one not presented. First check presented, the second check, first check is presented for payment. The next one not presented. Okay. Check issued but not presented for payment. What we will do? Check issued but not presented, we will add there. Here we need to deduct. Okay. Then insurance premium on motor vehicle 1000 paid by bank. That any expenses, you see, expenses, bank charge, that interest, that any payment made by the bank, we will less, isn't it? So here we need to add. Then credit side of cash book was undercast. Here you see cash book undercast means credit side of the cash book was less. Credit side less means it will show more balance in the cash book. Okay, more balance in the cash book. What we will do? Any error that increase the balance in cash book, we will deduct less. So here we need to add. Okay, then subsidy received directly by the bank from the state government amounting to 10,000. So it is a receipt. Here amount received by bank. What we have done? We have deducted. Okay, this also should be deducted. Okay, now we will do. Seven. Statement. Bank reconciliation statement. Okay, 2 column. Okay, we need to balance as per bank statement. Bank statement 5,000. What should be added? Check deposited but not yet credited. Not credited. Okay, 800. What should be added? We will write. Okay. Then insurance premium paid by bank. Insurance premium paid 1,000. Then cash book undercast 700. Okay, we will add 0, 15. Then less. Amount received through NEFT. Okay, 3,000. Then check issued, not yet presented, 2,000. Then less the last one, isn't it? Subsidy received by bank 10,000. Okay, 15,000. Here this amount is more. Okay, so here balance as per bank statement. Here if we get credit balance as per bank statement, we should get debit balance as per cash book, but we are getting this side more, so we need to write overdraft. Simply you should not write balance as per cash book, so overdraft as per cash book. 15,000 minus 7,500, 7,500. Okay, seventh one over, eighth one. Very simple. Okay, here I will tell you. Debit balance as per bank statement. Debit balance as per bank statement. The same thing. I have told you, no, what we have added, we should add. See, debit balance as per bank statement. What we have added, we should add. Okay, so now you see. Debit balance as per bank statement. check deposited but not yet credited. What we will do? Check deposited, not yet credited, less, isn't it? Payment made through net banking omitted in the cash book. Any payment we will deduct, isn't it? That means here 12,000, isn't it? Up to 2,500. So we have to deduct from here opposite side, isn't it? So we will get this amount, okay? But here debit balance as per bank statement, then we should get credit balance as per, that means overdraft as per cash statement. But here we get opposite amount, so we can write balance as per cash book, okay? The ninth one we will see. Overdraft balance as per bank statement. Both are equal only. Debit balance as per bank statement is called overdraft balance as per bank statement. So what we have added, we should add. Same rule. Okay. So interest on overdraft entered in the bank statement but not yet recorded in the cash book. Interest on overdraft one debit in the bank statement. Isn't it? That debit we will less. Bank charges. See that interest on overdraft we are deducting, isn't it? Bank charges, that also bank charges we need to deduct. Okay, then check issued but not yet presented for payment. Check issued we will add, isn't it? That we need to add. Then check deposited we should deduct. Then interest on investment collected by the bank. Any credit, that income received. Okay, income, that interest on investment received by the bank we need to add. We will do in the notebook. So that is what this what should be added. If you are very thorough, you can do it very easily. Okay. Bank reconciliation statement as on. Write the date. Okay. So here overdraft balance as per bank statement 1,26,640. Now what should be added? That we need to add. Which one? Check issued but not presented for payment. Okay, 23,360. Then interest on investment received. Interest on investment received 24,000. Only two items so should be added, isn't it? 6, 3, 7, 4. Then what should be deducted? First one, interest on overdraft. Interest on overdraft 3,200. Then bank charges 600. Then check deposited but not yet credited 43,400. That's all. 12 balance 1 7 4. Deduct 0 0. 10 minus 2 8. 3 13 minus 7 6. 6 minus 4 2. 1,26,800. This one overdraft balance as per bank statement. So here overdraft as per cash book. Okay, this is what you have to do. Now the last exercise 10. Okay, here if they give this cash book of the company and the bank statement, they give, what we have to do? Okay, if they give both the book in our hand, we need to check. Okay, that I will tell you. That last years we have done the tick mark that is there. So you have first step, you have to check with the cash book. Cash book debit side. Cash book debit side and bank statement credit side. We need to check. See the balance we can take. Here two balances given. Cash book, closing balance. Okay. Closing balance as per cash book. Don't take the opening balance. Okay. Balance as per cash book. Here balance as per bank statement. If we take this one, we will get this one. Or if we take this one, after making adjustments, we should get this amount. We will check. First you have to do the checking. Here the cash book debit side means the check deposited. Okay, whether it is credited, we need to check. Okay, this RAM 2200. It is there. Check RAM 2200. So give tick mark. The next one, Prem 1500. Check 1500. Check Prem. Okay. Okay. That one is there. Give tick mark both. Then Pavitra 3400. Whether it is 3400, not there. So leave as it is. Then Devi 2600. Here Devi 2600. So put tick mark. Then to Mani 1100. Nothing there. Okay, so we need to do. Shankar, whether 350, whether it is credited? No. Okay, so keep as it is. Then come to the cash book, the credit side, check issued. Okay, here drawings 1700, check issued. But here check drawings 700 only there. So the remaining 1000 is there. Okay, 700 okay. But 1000 is there. Okay, then Sumi 3300. Check Sumi debited 3300. Okay, then salary 2800. Here salary 2800. So put tick mark. Kayal 1700. Kayal 1700. That one also presented for payment. Now Pooja 4200. Here no other check. Okay, so 1, 2, Rahim. Then for rent also, we have paid check. So all these together we have to take. Okay, this one and this 1000. Okay, check. Here, this one 3400. This one, these three. Okay, this check what deposited but not credited. Okay, this one check issued but not presented for payment. Okay, including this 1000. Now you come to that cash book, everything, all the other okay, isn't it? These three, we will add the amount. Okay, 3400. Here 4500, 4500 and 4550. Here 1000, isn't it? Plus 4200, 5200, 7200, 7000, 8300, 9400. Okay, now all credit only in the this one bank statement. Okay, credit, that means the interest received. Okay, income received only in the. Then debit, all debit. What we have to do? Okay, with these items, what should be done? Check deposited but not credited. So which balance you are going to take, we have to decide. Okay, let us take this balance, cash book balance. Okay, 2250. So if we take this one, check deposited, we need to deduct, isn't it? Check issued but not presented for payment, we will add, isn't it? Then any income received, we will add. Any expense, we will deduct. Now shall we do only 4 items? Okay. In this way, you see all the other items entered, a tick mark. Only these two are not entered. Here all these check deposited, we have debited, this check issued. Okay, this one maybe 2 checks, 1000 and 1700, 700. So 700 is debited, 1000 is not yet debited. Okay. So we will write balance as per 10th problem, isn't it? As per cash book. I will do little faster. Time up. Okay. Balance as per cash book. Add what check issued but not presented for payment. You have to write 9400. Okay. Then what should be added? Then interest received by bank 900. Okay. Only 2 items, isn't it? 10. Then less what check deposited but not yet credited, 4550. Then the other one, bank charges debited by the bank, 15. 6, 5, 4. 10 minus 5, 5. 14 minus 6, 8. 14 minus 5, 9. You have made any mistake? Okay, we will see. 14 minus 5, 9. Then 11 minus 4, 7. So some mistake we have made. Okay. Somewhere we have made a mistake. So children, you find out. Okay. The next day I will correct and I will tell you. This one, balance as per bank statement. Calculation mistake only. 7685 we need to get. Okay. Here we will check 2250. 3, 10, 5, 5, 2, 1, 4565, 14 minus 6, 8, here 14 minus 5, 9, 11 minus 4, 7. Okay, please children, you find out. Okay, we have added the amount. 3400, 4500, 4850. Okay, students, are 4850. Okay, check that and don't find out. Okay, sorry, not there. 4850. Here only. 800. Okay, then 14 minus 8, 6. Okay, very good. You have got the answer. Okay, students? Okay. Okay, complete this one. Write the number 10 and complete this one. And next day I will start the next chapter. Okay, students? Thank you very much.